Hello everyone, Shraddha here. So today I will be talking about some digital marketing tricks that you can use on a daily basis. So let's start with these tricks. First is combine SEO and content marketing. If you are doing this, you can get amazing results. Just try to do it at once. Next is have a visible presence on relevant social media platforms. It's not wise and it's not good if you are creating accounts on every platform that is not at all relevant for your business. So wherever you can get good number of clients, good number of customers on such platforms, you should create your account, or you should give your company that social media presence. So yeah, have a visible presence on relevant social media platforms. Next is optimize your website for mobile first browsing. Suppose you have created very good website, but when I am trying to visiting your website in phone, so I am not at all able to see all the options or all the features, all complete like to see complete navbar. So there are some problem because your website is not at all user friendly. Someone is looking in mobile, so you should take care of this too. Make your website mobile friendly, so that whoever is like visiting in any device, they can easily visit your website. Next is use the right tools. Suppose you have a thorough knowledge of lot of tools, but they are not at all relevant related to your business, so it would be all wasted. So instead of like thinking that the tools that you know about, they are just worthless or they have of no use, so what you can do, you should learn about new tools, or you can let your digital or marketing teams to learn some particular tools which will be beneficial for your company. Next is be awesome at design. There are a lot of tools, marketing tools, when it comes to graphic design. Canva, Adobe Spark Adobe, then Lucid Press, then Luca, and there are a lot of such tools that you can use, and you can download those apps in your phone. You can easily do it on phone or laptop, it doesn't matter. So yeah, if you are using these tools wisely, you can really do lot of like good miracles for your company. So let's move into next is create an email list. It's not fine if you are targeting people on social media, but you should have a separate email list of at least say 10,000 or 1 lakh of your clients or say customers, because whenever you are launching a new product, you can send an email to those all those clients, and if they will be interested, they will be buying your product. Next is spend on digital advertising. It's not good if you are focusing only on putting posts on social media platforms, but you should also take care about running advertisement or say campaigns on various social media platforms, say Google AdWords or Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, Quora. So yeah, you should take care of these things, like these things too. So instead of looking only for social media posts, you should also run advertisement on various social media platforms. Next is use infographics. Suppose you are posting a photo, where a random photo from internet, and you are writing like you have got, or you have written some big write up. So do you really think that people will be interested to read all those, that 1,000 or say 1,500 words of your write up? Not at all, because no one has time, that especially nowadays they don't have time. So you should use some relevant keywords in that post, where there would be good graphics with enough information that people can get to know about your business. So that would be called as infographics. So just use infographic instead of using write-ups, like long write-ups, because you people are not at all going to read the complete write-up if it is like something boring or related to your product, so they won't read the complete write-up. So just make a note of it. Next is closely watch your analytics. Watching your I am a marketer, and I know the importance of analytics. I used to check my analytics on a daily basis. I used to check whether it is working well or not. If it is not working well, then I need to change my strategy, and then I need to do the same process again. So you also need to do the same. It's not done if you are checking the analytics after a month, but you have to check at least on a daily basis, or at least once in a week, because whenever things are going wrong, you can change things or change strategy. at the right time instead of regretting after the complete month. So you should change that strategy on the right time. Next is integrate strategies and campaign across channel. So you can do this by using 2 to 3 tips that I have added. First is strategic planning. You should have a like good strategy that will look like it will work or it can work. Next is creative meetings. It's not done if you are giving work of making new content, making creating new post to digital marketing person or say graphic designer, but I would suggest you to have a meeting with technical people also, because sometimes some creative ideas can be like can be shared by some technological or say some people who has technology background, so they can also share some good and some relevant marketing ideas and some relevant post idea that will be changing the, like I can say, the complete process, or say the complete like game of your social of your post on social media platforms. Because doing this you can get to know around 7 to 8 ideas instead of focusing on only one and two, and then you can examine whether which will be better or which can help you in to gain like good engagement, to gain good engagement conversion, and also to gain good number of followers of say subscribers. And then last is a master plan. You should have a master plan, because if you won't have a master plan, then all your efforts to creative planning, strategic planning, creative meetings, they would be worthless. So you should have a master plan after completing these 2 steps. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope these tips and tricks will be very much helpful for you in marketing terms. So yeah, that's it for today. If you have any kind of questions, just let me know. I will be answering, or I will be trying to like resolve your query. And if you have any kind of topic for me to come up with, just let me know. I will be covering that too. And yeah, if you like my content, just subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And yeah, just let me know if you have any kind of query. Thank you. We'll be meeting soon. Bye.